Hi, I'm Rick Giddy with Alpine Stars. I'm the U.S. Sales Manager for the Technical Auto Collection. I'd like to talk with you a little bit about our collection, some of the features and benefits. We manufacture a whole line of products for driver performance safety. We manufacture suits, shoes, gloves, and undergear. Something common across the board with all Alpine Stars suits is Alpine Stars suits utilize pre-curved arms and legs and pre-curved body construction. What this does is allows the suit to follow the form of the driver while in the cockpit. All Alpine Stars products are designed for driver use in the cockpit. Another feature common to Alpine Stars suits is flat stitch construction. It makes the suit very, very strong and also makes the suit very comfortable as the seam lines flow down the body line of the person driving without creating hot spots or pressure points. Another common element to all Alpine Stars suits is our epaulet system, which is exclusive to Alpine Stars suits. Alpine Stars epaulets are up on the front part of the shoulder, thus being a very effective pull for the driver by distributing load across the body and the torso versus distributing load across the shoulders and neck on the driver. They also remain accessible in the event of an accident where a head and neck restraint may hinder competitors' epaulets. Ours remain attainable. We manufacture 4 lines of suits: GP Tech, GP Pro, GPT, and SP suit. In the GP Pro, we also manufacture a women's Stella suit. It's identical to the men's suit. It's specifically cut for a woman's body, which is very nice because it allows a woman to step up into a high-performance suit that fits her perfectly. When we look at Alpine Stars shoes, we have 3 models of shoes: the Tech 1Z, the Tech 1T, and the SP shoe. A common element across all Alpine Stars shoes is the construction that we use to actually manufacture the shoe. We use an injected footbed, which allows the shoe to be lighter, different densities for the molding, which allows more protection on the heel and more support on the heel when you need it, better feel on the forefoot where you're going to need that as well. Has engineered bend points so the shoe bends where we want it to and maintains its torsional stability. The Z and the T utilize a 45-degree strap, and what the strap does is it actually locks the heel into the footbed so the foot can't slide up or down or back and forth or in and out of the shoe, creating a very precise lever and a one-piece unit between your foot and the shoe. This allows for excellent pedal feel and pedal modulation. On the Z and the T shoe, we go above the heel for protection from fire and protection from bumps and abrasion. We also use a notched out piece in the back for your Achilles to make it very soft. The Z is a kangaroo grain shoe. The T is a cowhide shoe. Where the Z utilizes a speed lace system, the Tech 1T utilizes a standard lace system. The SP is slightly different. It utilizes the same construction as both the Z and the T. However, it's a suede construction. It does not have the 45-degree strap, and the lacing system is slightly modified. It's an excellent shoe for the price point. Very, very comfortable, very, very durable. Moving on to the glove line, we have the Tech 1 ZX glove. It's an excellent glove. It's an external seam construction, and for 2013, it's both SFI rated and FIA rated. It's important to note that all of our products are SFI, FIA rated, with the exception of the first run of the GP Tech, which is SFI only. Utilizing external seam construction, single piece top panel, temperature sensitive cotton liner, and silicone printing on the palms. This glove is for the person that's wanting ultimate feel from the wheel. We use silicone specifically because of the coefficient of friction that allows very good grip with a very light touch. Angle cuff, Velcro closure. In addition, this glove also uses fourchette stitching, which is in between the fingers, which keeps the glove torsionally rigid on the driver's hand. Less slippage on the glove. Moving on to the Tech 1 Z glove. This glove utilizes a 2-piece top construction, Nomex, single-piece bottom construction, which is Nomex. Uses the same liner as the ZX, so it's a temperature-sensitive, fire-resistant cotton lining. Mild padding across the top of the knuckle, straight cuff, Velcro closure. Same Forchetti stitching as on the ZX, but this glove is slightly modified in the palm. This glove has an additional layer of padding across the bottom of the knuckle, and additional padding in the palm of the heel of the hand. Allows for a little more buffeting against outright feedback, a little bit more protection, a little bit more dampening for somebody who's looking for that. It's an excellent glove. It's available in 3 colors. This is the Tech One S glove. This glove features a single-piece top Nomex construction, Nomex lining on the inside, straight cuff, Velcro closure. Now this glove is different in the fact that it utilizes a synthetic leather palm. Also uses a little bit more padding across the knuckle and the heel of the hand. It does not use silicone in the construction of this glove as well. This glove is excellent for team crew who need to manipulate tools and work on cars wearing fireproof equipment. It's also excellent for drivers who utilize drilled steering wheels or heavily textured steering wheels. It's a very durable glove. This is the Tech One Race glove. This glove's an excellent glove. It's a single-piece top construction Nomex liner. Utilizes mild padding across the knuckle, a little bit more than, say, the Tech One Z. It also uses padding on the wrist bone as well for protection. This glove is interesting in the fact that it does not use any padding on the palm. It utilizes a full synthetic treatment on the palm, so it offers an exceptionally high level of friction, coefficient friction for grip, but in a very lightweight package with exceptional feel. This glove is available in 5 colors. Moving on to the underwear. This is the ZX underwear for 2013. Now the ZX underwear is an interesting product in the fact that it's not a Nomex construction. We utilize a product called Lensing FR. It has a higher breathability rate and a higher saturation point than Nomex. It's also softer and lighter. Now this is important for a number of reasons. Because of the fabric's properties, it's able to retain more moisture within the fabric and pass more air across the fabric. And that's important because in the event of a fire, more drivers are burned by steam than actual flames themselves. So being able to move the moisture away from the driver and transfer more air across the fabric keeps the driver drier, which means the driver's cooler and warmer depending on the situation. And also in the event of a fire, it removes the potential or lessens the potential for a steam burn. This fabric's also very interesting in the fact that the way we manipulated the fabric and constructed this garment, it actually utilizes a tubular construction. So if you look across the garment, on the main torso, there's no seams on this garment. And how that's done is there's a form made and the machine builds the garment around the form. Now why that's important is it allows us to build a compression benefit into this garment. We're able to use a variable compression, so we use the same density of fabric with different levels of compression. So you get all of the benefits of a performance garment in the same that other professional athletes would as far as football players and runners and baseball players, but you get that in a motorsport specific package. The variable compression offers different density level or different compression levels across the muscle groups. So where the larger muscles have a greater level of compression, the smaller muscles have a lesser level of compression. We don't want to cut off the circulation, we simply want to compress it to where it should be. It's an outstanding garment. Lensing is also permanently fire resistant as well. So much like the Nomex, the fabric lasts indefinitely. New for 2013, we've completely moved away from Nomex in all of our undergarments, with the exception of the sock. The reason being is the benefits of the Lensing fabric are superior to that of the Nomex. So this offers all of the same fabric benefits that you get from the ZX being a Lensing fabric. It's just in a standard cut and sew pattern. So for somebody not wanting the compression benefit of the ZX, the race underwear is an exceptional garment. This is available in 2 colorways. The ZX in black and white. The race is available now in white, will be available soon in black. Also available with matching hoods in both colors. Additionally, we have our standard Nomex socks, which are slightly changed from 2012. The main change is that the calf length on the sock is lower, so it comes to mid-calf rather than upper calf. Other than that, it's a standard Nomex construction.